Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about imitation Makita, fake Makita. Should you buy them? Should you buy the tools? Should you buy the batteries? Should you buy the chargers? Oh, let's just show you something. If you've got genuine Makitas and they're broken and you're trying to figure out what's wrong with them and looking to replace them, check out my video on replacing and checking your motor brushes, because I've just done a video on that, and that's the most common problem that these Makitas or power tools fail for. This isn't to do with the batteries, this is just to do with overworked drill. So I have my fair share of genuine Makita stuff. I have lots of genuine Makita stuff. And then I bought this brushless impact driver a while ago. My van got broken into and a load of stuff got stolen, and they took a load of batteries and my charger. And I was like, I'm not going to spend out all that much money that it was at the time to go to Screwfix and replace the batteries and the charger. So I got next day delivery from Amazon, as probably a lot of you will do. There's a link in the description below where you can get these batteries, this charger, this impact driver. So I've been using these now for a year, I would say. I think it was since the van got broken into. This battery is spot on. It's got no battery indicator on it, but most of the tools I use have got a battery indicator. The battery fits just as well as a genuine Makita battery. This one's quite a bit older. Battery indicator doesn't work on this one either, but the battery fits fine. It works. I haven't noticed any lack of power at all. So if you're looking at buying a battery, I would get a Vanon, because these seem to be quite popular, and it's a good battery. I can't fault it. I've only got one of them and I will be buying some more. Now I've had this one for a while and I can rate it. No different to these, and I think it lasts just as long. So the charger, certainly a lot lighter than the old one, and it hasn't got a fan in it, but this charges all of the normal batteries. It charges the replacement batteries. It's a year or so old. It's not broken. It still works just as well. It only goes in my van. It's the one for my van, for my power tools, for while I'm working, and it's spot on. Like I say, I'll leave a link for this down below if you want to find it. It does 14 to 18 volt LXT batteries, so any of these. Doesn't do the smaller 10.8, but that doesn't matter because you've probably only got an 18 volt battery. So yes, the charger definitely worth buying as a second charger, or to replace one if you don't want an expensive Makita one to get stolen. And then this is the newest edition. I can't believe how much of a rip-off this is. These are so cheap. These are like £25, I think. And it's just, this is brushless as well. And I only bought it just because I wanted to try it out and see what it was like. I will be using this as the year goes on my car. At the minute we're just coming out of winter, so I haven't played with this yet. This only turned up the other day, so I will do a review on this brushless impact driver and see if it actually puts out the power it says it does. But yeah, I'm impressed with the quality of it and how it's just got LXT written on here, and when you put it against, it's just such a copy. It's just a total total copy. I can't believe how they can get away with it. I think they'd probably just stick a Makita badge on there and you wouldn't know the difference. So that's a quick video on should you buy the Makita rip-off gear. Not really, because it's not fair on Makita, but when you're like me and everything you've got is Makita, when you can get a couple of batteries for the same price as a single 6 amp battery, why not? When you can get a charger for 20 quid instead of 40, why not? And when the tools are cheap, if they break, you just throw it away. So that's my little review. Links below if you want any of this stuff to check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up if this little video helped you out, and I'll see you on the next one.